Hey there. So today I'm really excited to show you an amazing functionality that we have built, and it's fuzzy search. Okay, so it's a powerful search tool where it takes away all your problems, right? It even if the user is misspelling something, if it's typing something that's not related, and it prioritizes the search based on the search query. So it's a very powerful tool, and you will love it. Your users will love it. So let's jump right into it. Okay, I'll first show you the example of its working, and then I'll show you a little bit of setup and the things we have used. Okay, so this is a setup. Okay, this is what, let's say, and so this website is an online library of videos. Okay, where the primary videos are related to Bible. Okay, so let's say we search for heaven, but let's say I misspell it. Okay, but you can see that on the left we have the suggested search, and I spell it Jevin. Okay, but it understands it and it gives us a suggested search, and also give us direct links in priority where this word might be associated. Let's say I search for something else. I search for David. As you can see, the David is present over here, David is not present over here. So it also searches through the description, through the metadata, and it gives you the result. And it prioritizes. So we have prioritized the title. So that's why this presents first and then over here. So it and David matches these suggested searches, okay, and it matches for a reason which I'll tell you. I'll show you the setup and I'll tell you how everything's working, right? And let's say I click on one of these, it directly takes me to the video. The promises to David. Let's say I want to search again, and I search for, let's say, heaven, okay, and I'm not sure what I'm looking for, but I don't know if I want to look at this. So I can just click on heaven and hell. It will show me all the related videos, right? You know how cool is that? It will show us all the related videos to it. And this is the search result for heaven and hell. You can just look for, let's say, and here is another search which we have integrated. You can just search for David and it will give you all the results for David. So this is perfect. So let's look at the setup, okay? Okay, perfect. So here we have a light box, the pop-up that comes up, and people can type in. So we have the suggested search over here, we have the quick links over here, and there's a bunch of code that goes around. Okay, we also have the fuzzy code where fuzzy results and the JavaScript libraries are used, where we are doing a bunch of things. Okay, but let me show you the database setup. Okay, we have two databases. One is the suggested search database. Over here you can input different suggested search which you think people might want to look for. So if they type something related to that, we use the fuzzy search algorithm and show the top suggested searches. So if they type heaven, Jevin, something unrelated, but it understands that and it prioritizes those results and shows them up, and then click on one of them. Then we have the online library. Okay, here we have the title, we have the name, we have the summary, we also have keywords and metadata. So users can type in something, it will search through all of this. Again, not just search through all of them, but in a priority. So it will first look at the title, and if that word is associated in one way or the other, misspelled or anything, it will show that first. Then the summary, then the keywords. We can change the priority according to our needs. Okay, so two databases, one lightbox, and the other page is the search page where the search results are shown up. You know, the videos, a post, they can also sort it, and all the results show up here, whether it's a post, whether it's a video, and yes, this is it. And this is a powerful tool, and it solves all the problems that Wix is providing. And you can search through multiple databases. There's a lot of other things that can be done with this functionality. So if you're looking for something like this, feel free to contact me. You can book a call, and I'll be more than happy to help you with this. See you on the call. Thank you so much.